Yes, my dear students. Mm, Now today's topic is linear differential equation. मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा that this linear differential equation, if you see the current year CBSE syllabus, uh, this topic is excluded from the syllabus. But because many a times what happens, because we have done this much work, so this small topic also let us understand and it will make us complete. So what will happen when we solve our miscellaneous exercise, or if we solve our previous year's papers, we will not feel confused, we will feel fully confident, and that is why we will solve these questions, and very easy, very only one method will be applied in all the questions. uh, so let us learn that what is a linear differential equation. Linear equation मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों ने सभी ने जाना होगा, समझा होगा कि degree 1 equations of degree 1 are known as linear equations. For example, this equation, this is a straight line equation, its degree is 1, right? Degree means maximum power of variable. When we talk about differential equation, when we see differential equation, suppose dy upon dx plus anything sin x into whole y equals to 0, suppose. Video is lagging. Okay.
Yes, sir. Video
Video is
lag हो रही sir.
blur. Okay. 1 minute. Some. Yes. Is there any improvement now? Students, can you tell? This is still working. Can you tell any improvement, students? Now
Yes,
is it,
sir.
now is it manageable? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. 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 So I hope that now the session should go smooth. मैं ही कह रहा हूँ कि this is its order is 1, right? And its degree is how much? Can you tell? Degree
One.
degree is also
One.
1. Degree is also 1, because degree means the exponent of this highest order derivative, which is nothing, means 1. So degree 1 differential equation if we take, and that will be called as linear differential equation. It may have order 1, it may have order 2, or even higher, but in our exercise we will discuss first order linear differential equations. So you can write that first order linear differential equation is given by, is given by dy upon dx plus p into y is equal to q. So this is the standard linear differential equation of first order, and we should know that p and q are what, where p and q are the functions of x only. Students, x only, do you understand? X only means p and q should contain only x terms. Y terms are not allowed, right? Constant also will be okay. I'll give you example. For example, dy upon dx plus y cos x plus y cos x equal to e raised to power x. This is okay. This is a linear differential equation. Dy upon dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. This also is okay. This is also linear differential equation. 2 can be assumed as a function of x, no problem. But this is not a linear differential equation. Dy upon dx plus y sin x equal to cos y. This is not a linear differential equation. Why? क्या मुझे कोई बता सकता है कि why is this not a linear differential equation? Students, बिल्कुल cos y यहां पर आ रहा है और मैं ये कह रहा हूं मेरी डेफिनेशन में है that y multiplier and the right hand side function should be a function of x only, and because this is not a function of x, this is a function of y, इसलिए ये लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन नहीं है. तो मुझे क्या करना है? आई हैव टू कीप रिमेंबर दिस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, वन. नाउ we should know that how to solve it, so let us learn method to solve. Friends, step by step method is there. That first step is that what we do, we find a quantity, that quantity is called as integrating factor. So we find integrating factor by the formula. In short, we write IF, right? IF is what? Integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal to e raised to power integral p dx. P means this y multiplier जो भी है function, that is p. So e raised to power integral p dx. Plus c will not add here. Plus c will do in the last step only, right? Then step 2 is that final solution is given by y into if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. IF is what? IF is integrating factor, which we have to calculate in beginning only, right? So things are very clear now, students, that what we are going to do. First of all, in the question, this kind of equation will be given. This is the standard form. In the question, if anything is there in multiply with dy upon dx, then what you do, you bring in this structure. dy upon dx multiplier should be 1, right? इस स्ट्रक्चर की खासियत क्या है कि इसमें dy upon dx multiplier 1 है. And once this is clear, then what you do, y multiplier whatever is there, you declare as p. The right hand side function you declare as q, and after that follow these two steps. First of all, you find integrating factor by this formula, e raised to power integral p dx, and then solution is given by y into if is equal to q into if dx plus c, right? Now let us move towards exercise. Hitendra Sisodia from A section, can you read the next question? First question of exercise 9.6. Hitendra. हितेंद्र, ये समझ में आया? लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. हाँ, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 9.6? am I right? 9.6 ना? हाँ, प्लीज. dy upon dx plus 2y is equal to sin x. I have to find general solution. So first of all, I have to check whether this is linear differential equation or not. Is this a linear differential equation, students? Yes. Linear differential equation. Linear differential equation की खासियत क्या है कि dy upon dx whole square whole cube should not be there, right? dy upon dx whole raised to power 1 should be there, like this. Quite perfect. And now you declare your p and q. P is what? Y multiplier. So here p is 2 and q is sin x. Now we'll follow our two steps. Step 1 is that if integrating factor will be equal to e raised to power integral p dx. Note that plus c I'll not do here. Adding constant we'll add the constant in the last step only. Okay, method it is. This will become e raised to power integral 2 dx. This will become e to power 2x. Now solution is given by, you remember the formula, y into if is equal to integral q into if dx plus c. Put the value of if, y into e to power 2x, integrating factor I calculated e to power 2x, equals to integral q is e to power 2x into if. My if is e to power 2x, sin q is sin x into e to power 2x dx plus c. ओके, तो प्लस सी लिखना जरूरी है, ये नहीं कि आपने कैंसिल कर दिया e to power 2x e to power 2x. Plus c is important. Now, how to integrate this right hand side integral?
So integration by parts.
Parts, integration by parts is the way. सभी लोगों को याद होगा integration by parts formula. Even then I can write that integral uv dx is equal to students याद है B section students अभिषेक
Yes.
अदिति अमन अमित याद है किसी को?
यस सर।
अमित को याद है? बताओ इंटीग्रल uv dx.
सर वो फर्स्ट देंगे
u as it
और-
is, फिर सेकंड का इंटीग्रल है ना, तो देख लीजिए सभी लोग, है ना, इंटीग्रल v dx माइनस इंटीग्रल द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ
इंटीग्रेशन फिर ब्रैकेट में d बाई डी एक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट का,
यस,
और फिर माइनस फिर इंटीग्रेशन फिर सेकंड का, और फिर
Into dx.
ब्रैकेट बंद, और फिर d बाई डी एक्स।
बिल्कुल प्लस सी. ये हो गया इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स फॉर्मूला. तो शुरू करते हैं इसको अप्लाई करना. यहां पर फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज e to power 2x एज इट इज, sin x इंटीग्रल इज माइनस cos x, है ना. प्रैक्टिस करते रहिएगा, अदरवाइज शुरुआत में तो 50% से ज्यादा बार तो लोग sin x की इंटीग्रल की जगह डिफरेंशिएशन लिख देते हैं. तो उसका सिर्फ एक ही इलाज है कि कीप सॉल्विंग, है ना. माइनस इंटीग्रल e to power 2x डेरिवेटिव, e to power 2x डेरिवेटिव will be 2e to power 2x. बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है. इंटीग्रल e to power 2x का मत लिख देना गलती से, राइट. sin x का इंटीग्रल माइनस cos x dx plus c. Okay, let us simplify it further. This will become y into e to power 2x equals to minus e to power 2x cos x, and this minus I'll bring in front, minus minus plus e to power 2x cos x dx plus c. Still the problem is not solved. So what can be done? Further, this integration by parts formula can be applied. Let us apply. First function as it is into integral of cos x. Integral of cos x is sin x minus integral e to power 2x derivative. E to power 2x derivative is 2e to power 2x into cos x integral, which is sin x dx plus c as it is. And now if you see this term 2 हटा के, that term will be equal to how much? This value, right? Let us see. Minus e to power 2x cos x plus e to power 2x sin x minus 2 out into e to power 2x sin x. E to power 2x sin x dx is what? Is y into e to power 2x, right? Minus c, but c constant, plus or minus something constant will be constant only. So constant, not a big deal, not a big issue. Y into e to power 2x plus c as it is I am keeping. Now, what can be done? This minus 2y e to power 2x can be taken in left side. Right, students? So if I take in left side, it will become 3y e to power 2x equals to minus, let me take common, e to power 2x I am taking common, e to power 2x common, in the bracket sin x minus cos x plus c. Students, be ready to check the answer. Can I divide by e to power 2x? Yes. Then here it will come in upon. This will become 3y equals to e to power 2x removed sin x minus cos x plus c upon e to power 2x, that I can write c into e to power minus 2x. Check the answer, students, and tell me, is this right? Students, is this right? Hitendra, you only अच्छा, मैंने कहीं पे गलती की है? Just tell me where.
सर लास्ट लाइन में 2 आ रहा है लेकिन आपने ऊपर 2 नहीं लिखा.
2 आ रहा है, but I missed 2. Okay, I missed 2 here. I'm sorry. 2 is also there. 2 I have taken completely out. So 2 is here. Then 2 will come here, and 2 into 2, 4 it will become. When I take in left, it will become 5. Now you check, please. This is 5, and this 2 will come here also with sign. Check, students.
यस सर, अब करेक्ट है.
अब करेक्ट है.
वो 5
तो
मिल
मुझसे
जाएगा.
ये गलती होगी कि मुझसे 2 छूट गया. सो यू ऑल्सो बी केयरफुल, है ना, कि अब करेक्ट है ना. तो इसको प्लीज यू कंप्लीट इट. और द वर्क व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस क्वेश्चन, द सेम वर्क वी आर गोइंग टू डू in the next questions also. All the questions of this exercise, exactly same work. ठीक है, तो सबको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. बस आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए, और मेरी रिकमेंडेशन हमेशा की तरह कि प्लीज कीप सॉल्विंग इन योर नोटबुक्स, बिकॉज मैथ्स आपको सॉल्व करने में जो आपको मजा आएगा वो देखने से नहीं आएगा, देखने से समझ नहीं आएगा. तो कीप सॉल्विंग. रितु शर्मा, विल यू रीड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? रितु? यस रितु, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. dy upon dx plus 3y, हाँ, minus 2x. We have to solve. So this is also linear. Let me declare it linear differential equation. DE भी लिख सकते हैं short में, differential equation. P here is 3. Q here is e to power minus 2x. And to solve this, the method is to find the integrating factor. So let us first of all find integrating factor. Integrating factor IF, the formula is e to power integral p dx. This will become e to power integral p. P by p is 3, integral 3 dx. Integral 3 dx will be 3x. That's it. This is my IF, integrating factor. And now solution is, as per the formula, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Okay, so this will become y into IF e to power 3x is equal to integral q. My q is e to power minus 2x, e to power minus 2x into IF. IF is e to power 3x dx plus c. Okay, merge them, these two things. It will become integral e to power x dx plus c. E to power x integral is the easiest one, and this is my final answer. Or if you wish, you can divide throughout with e to power 3x. If I divide by e to power 3x throughout, then y equals to e to power x upon e to power 3x. It will become e to power minus 2x plus c into e to power minus 3x. Students, check the answer. Is this right?
यस सर.
यस सर.
उन्होंने ये दिया है या ये यहीं पे छोड़ दिया इसको?
सर वही दिया जो
सर
लास्ट में
राइट
किया है.
वाला.
लास्ट लाइन है ना. क्यों? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ये समझते हैं कि y इक्वल टू समथिंग, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा मानते हैं. करेक्ट, हाँ, ठीक ठीक है ना. मतलब इसको बोलते हैं एक्सप्लिसिट वैल्यू, एज ए एक्सप्लिसिट फंक्शन, y लेफ्ट में और बाकी सारी चीजें राइट में. इसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा अच्छा मानते हैं, है ना. Let me call someone else to read the next question. Manas Maru, will you read the next question?
Yes, sir.
Manas, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
अगर मेरी स्पीड ज्यादा हो तो प्लीज मुझे बता दीजिएगा, है ना. हम लोग थोड़ा और स्लो कर लेंगे. मानस, रीड द नेक्स्ट थर्ड क्वेश्चन.
Sir, dy upon dx.
हाँ,
plus y upon x
हाँ,
is equal to x square.
dy upon dx plus y upon x equals to x
X
square.
square.
Now tell me, Manas, you only tell me what is p here. This is linear differential equation. What is p here and what is q here?
Sir, p will be 1 by x.
Yes, and q will be
X
x.
square.
Yes. तो p is what? P is y multiplier. मतलब y के साथ जो कुछ भी multiply है, that is p. Now p and q they are ready. Now let us find if. Integrative factor will be equal to e to power integral p dx, integral 1 upon x dx. Integral 1 upon x, you know well, log x, e to power log x dx, e to power log x. And e to power log x, you should know very well that e and log, they are inverse functions of each other. तो जब भी वो एक दूसरे के साथ होते हैं, दोनों के इफेक्ट को नलीफाई कर देते हैं अपने एक दूसरे को. तो मान लो कि ये है ही नहीं, ये दोनों ही नहीं है. This will be x, right? So this you should keep remember that e raised to power log, whenever you see, both will be removed, right? Why? Because f composition f inverse is an identity function. That is why. Yeah? So this thing you keep remember. Now my if is ready. That is x. Now solution is y into if as per the formula equals to q into if dx plus c. This will become y into if is x equal to integral q. What is the value of q? Q is x square into if is x dx plus c. This becomes integral x cube dx. This becomes x to power 4 upon 4 plus c. Students, check the answer. If you
Yes,
want to
sir, correct.
divide by y, if you want to divide by x, you can do it. Y equals to x cube upon 4. Correct? Yes, plus c upon x. Yes. तो इस तरह से ये हमारा ये क्वेश्चन भी कंप्लीट हो गया. तो आप अगर थोड़ा सा इसमें ध्यान दें तो मुझे सबसे पहला काम ये करना है कि ये चेक करना ये लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है या नहीं. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि dy अपॉन dx का मल्टीप्लायर 1 होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसमें अगर कुछ मल्टीप्लाई होता तो मैं उसे डिवाइड करा देता, तब मुझे p और q मिल गया. फिर if निकालो और ये सोल्यूशन फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. ठीक है, और उसके बाकी का खेल तो इंटीग्रेशन में जाएगा. तो इंटीग्रेशन आपका मजबूत है तो आपको कोई इसमें परेशानी होने वाली नहीं है. करेक्ट. लेट अस मूव अहेड. लेट मी कॉल खुशी शर्मा. खुशी from 12th B. Khushi Sharma, are you listening me? Will you read the next question, fourth?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is that?
dy by dx plus sec x into y is equal to
dy
tan x
on dx plus,
sec x into y
yes,
is equal to tan x,
yes,
where 0 is less than equal to x
yes.
is less than equal to x by 2 pi by 2.
Okay. First quadrant, the angle is lying in first quadrant. Okay. No problem. This is very clear linear differential equation. Because dy upon dx multiplier is 1 and these are the functions of x only. Yes. Now p here is sec x. Now please revise your formula. Be ready to tell me the formula. I'll ask you the integral formula. So if, let us calculate. If is e to power integral sec x dx. What is integral sec x?
log sec x plus tan x.
Exactly, log sec x plus tan x. अब जिनको भी फॉर्मूले में कंफ्यूजन है, इसका अर्थ है कि आपको सॉल्व करना चाहिए. थोड़ी सी कमी है ना, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे sec x फॉर्मूला आपको बहुत अच्छे से याद हो जाना चाहिए. दैट इज log sec x plus tan x. I have written, and as you know well that e and log are inverse function of each other, so both will remove each other. It will become simply sec x plus tan x. Modulus is only for the purpose that log is defined for positive numbers. right? When you remove e and log both, you simply write sec x plus tan x. Modulus is not required. My IF is ready. Now I am going to find solution. Solution is given by, मैं solution निकाल लेता हूँ. Solution is given by, as per the formula, y into IF equals to, मैं बार बार लिख रहा हूँ ये formula. If you are already used to apply this formula, then you can directly apply instead of writing the formula first. IF into Q into dx plus C, and then this will become y. IF value is sec x plus tan x equals to integral sec x plus tan x into Q. Q is tan x dx plus C. Now suggest me, students, that how to integrate this integral. Any student from C section? Can someone tell me from C section that how to integrate this right hand side integral? Anyone from C section? Can someone tell me? Yes, I am talking to Hitesh, Rajvi and Ishita. Ishita Bhatnagar, are you there listening me? Can you tell? Can you tell that how to integrate the right hand side integral? Integration by parts. Is it? Any other suggestion from A section students? A section students, Varsha, that your chat message B people are not able to see. So through voice, please tell that. Varsha, can you tell? Multiply tan x inside will be better, है ना? Ishita Bhatnagar. This will be much easier than integration by parts. So let us multiply and see what happens. In fact, this kind of questions we have solved in chapter 7. Multiply, it will become sec x tan x. Direct formula is there for this. Plus integral tan square x dx. There is a way for tan square x dx also. Now, tell me someone, Rajvi, what is this value? Rajvi Yadav. Are you listening, Rajvi? Hitesh, Rajvi, integral sec x tan x क्या होता है? बड़ा पुराना फॉर्मूला है, चैप्टर 7 के पहले ही एक्सरसाइज में बार-बार यूज किया होगा. नहीं? Doubt? Hitesh, tell me how to integrate these two. Super simple. बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है. इंटीग्रल sec x tan x is sec x. What is the way for tan square x? Absolutely.
Sec square.
Sec square x minus 1. First we'll write and then I will integrate. Okay. तो आपको पता ही होगा that sec square x integral is tan x minus 1 integral will become x. ठीक है? One more step. Let us write. So this will become y into sec x plus tan x equals to sec x plus sec square x integral is tan x. Direct formula है minus 1 integral is x plus c. Right? And that's it. This is my final answer. If you wish, you can divide by sec x plus tan x, but इधर फिर upon में आएगा. तो आप देख लीजिए, है ना? Check the answer. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it must be right. Please try to match up to the last line. If they have simplified or divided by some quantity, you also please do that, है ना? Because we'll match up to the last line. Somebody from B section, please read the next question. Nitin, I can see you joined. Can you read the next question, Nitin? No response. Pratham, can you read the next question? Tell me what is the next question?
Yes, sir.
What is the number? Which question? 5th? I have to see otherwise in my book. Which question number it is? 5th. Can you read Pratham? टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन नहीं है भाई,
है ना?
ना टाइम लग रहा है तुमको. Pratham or Priyanshu Yadav, any one of these three. Can you read 5th question?
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu Yadav is active. Yes. Can you read 5th question?
Sir, cos square x dy upon dx plus y equals to 10x.
Plus y equals to 10x. Check. Have I written correct? Is this?
Yes, sir.
Now you only suggest Priyanshu Yadav that how to do. What next line I should write?
Sir, is the P or Q?
P और Q. लेकिन उससे पहले एक और काम करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. क्या?
Cos square x से divide कर दे.
बिल्कुल. Cos. You see, our standard equation is dy upon dx plus py equal to q. In our standard equation, dy upon dx multiplier is 1. So we have to make 1 here before declaring p and q. So dividing both the sides with cos square x. Dividing with dividing by cos square x. Okay. dy upon dx plus this will become y sec square x. 1 upon cos square x is sec square x. Then tan x upon cos x, how much? Tan x upon cos square x, how much? ऐसे लिखो sec square x tan square x. That will be better. Tan x into sec square x. Now I can declare p here. P is equal to sec square x and q is equal to tan x into sec square x. P and q. Now let us find integrating factor. Integrating factor will be e to power integral p dx. P is sec square x dx, and as you know that integration of sec square is tan x. है ना students? Integration of tan sec square x is tan x. So integrating factor will become e to power tan x. Now again solution will be given by, as per the formula, y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, let us put the value of integrating factor. Then this will become y into if is e to power tan x is equal to integral q. What is q? Q is this quantity, e to power tan x into sec square x. Tan x into sec square x into if. If is e to power tan x dx plus c. Now suggest to me that how to integrate it. Anyone from A section? Anyone from A section? Devanshi Jain is writing as a chat message. कुछ लिखा मुझे फिर से chat window open कर. Yes, Devanshi, what substitution you are suggesting? Tan x equal to t. Yes, Somil, he also is saying the same. Tan x equal to t will work nicely. Let tan x equal to t only in the right hand side. In the left hand side, it is already integrated, so need not to touch that. Tan x equal to t. I have to replace dx also, so I'm going to differentiate it. Tan x differentiation is sec square x dx equal to dt. Now in this integral, sec square x and dx, remove them and replace them with dt. So this is going to be tan x already t, sec square x dx gone, dt appeared in place of them, and this remaining e to power tan x, and tan x is t. Integration by parts. So tell me someone, I'll follow. What should I write? Akriti, can you tell me that if I apply integration by parts, what line should I write? Akriti, I'm waiting. Akriti, Astha, or Anushka Kataria? Any one of these three? I'm just asking, what should I write if I apply integration by parts? Akriti, Astha, and Anushka Kataria. Any one of these people? No, bad. I don't want to wait. I will ask B people. B, anyone is active? Can someone tell me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Kaun? What's the name?
Yes, sir.
Manas, can you tell? Yes, Manas will tell. But if I apply integration by parts, what should I write?
Sir, first वाले को छोड़ेंगे.
अब मुझे बता दो, मैं क्या समझना नहीं चाहता. तुम बोलते जाओ, मैं लिखने चाहता हूँ.
Sir, ET. Sir, फिर integration of T. Sir, ET फिर integration of T.
इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ टी करेंगे तो ये लेंदी हो जाएगा. नो नो
Yes, sir.
रिवर्स द पोजीशंस है ना.
तो सर T into ET करेगा सर. Integration of ET.
E as it is, e to power t integral e to power t only, minus next.
Minus integration.
Yes.
Sir, d by dx.
Of t.
Yes, sir, d by dx of t.
D by dt of t, which will become?
Yes, sir. D by dt of t will become sir. D by dx 1.
1 into.
Sir, into integration of ET.
Which will be same thing.
Yes, sir.
Into.
Sir, dt if bracket close in dt.
बिल्कुल. Let's see. है ना? And this will become what?
ET.
ET. Almost done. Let us come back to our. So I can understand one thing, that Manas Maru has understood integration by parts. This I can say for sure. So these things only we want in our class. है ना? Tan x into e to power tan x minus e to power tan x plus c. Can these many e to power tan x be removed? Yes. Divide them throughout by e to power tan x. It will become tan x minus 1 plus c into upon e to power tan x, which will become e to power minus tan x. Done. You can check. This is the final answer. You can match from answer sheet. Is this right, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And this was question number 5th. Almost we have understood the concept, what the work we have to do. One more session we will take on this exercise, and we'll solve the remaining questions. So we are concluding this class.